Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a quick sketch of foreshortened fingers on the hand. So it's like a hand as if you're looking at it from that particular flat angle. And to get started, all we need is, you could even put an oval to start, just like that. Or you could put in a more precise shape somewhere along those lines. Just put in a box for now, but definitely an oval on this side. And then we go put in our thumb somewhere there, just with that hook or oval and that little arc. And then the top part requires all these coils. So we'll put in a little frame there. And then, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, as you see, this is the index finger. 1, 2, 3. Middle finger. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. As you see that you've already got some structure in place. And then all we do is draw around that structure. It all depends on the placement of the fingers, the angle that the hand is adopting. It's really dynamic, really awesome. And then of course you can enhance it with all these little details that can go in. And of course it depends on the hand that you're basing your sketch on, but in core practice, this is like usually how it pretty much comes across. Of course, you could change things as we go along. Some foreshortened nails right there. Finger lines. Some tones. That actually goes down here. So some tones running along wherever there's a fold or there's a detail. More intense shadows, lesser shadows. Shadows around the bulge. And that's really it. So if I were to do a bit of smudging just to make certain details come alive, it would be very, very helpful. And you could just use crosshatch, but you could also use smudging in this extremely foreshortened flat hand pose. So do try it out. It's essential perspective practice, and can give you lots of application for many different purposes. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. Keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.